Have you ever wondered what stands between you and the raw, unfiltered fury of the sun? We walk about our world, feeling its warmth on our skin, basking in its light, often without a second thought. We see the vast blue sky above as a simple, empty space. But it is not empty at all. It holds a delicate, invisible shield, a guardian that has protected life on Earth for hundreds of millions of years. Now imagine waking up one morning to find that this ancient guardian has vanished. It is called the ozone layer. Think of it as a very thin veil, woven from a special kind of oxygen molecule. The normal oxygen we breathe is made of 2 oxygen atoms joined together, but ozone is different. It is made of 3 oxygen atoms. This special gas forms a layer high up in our atmosphere, in a region called the stratosphere. This layer of ozone acts like a planetary pair of sunglasses. The sun sends out a wide spectrum of light and energy, but it also sends out powerful, high-energy ultraviolet or UV radiation. The most dangerous of these are known as UVC and UVB rays. The sun would rise, painting the dawn with its familiar colors of orange and pink. Yet the very quality of the light filtering through our atmosphere would have been altered in a fundamental, lethal way. On that first day, people would step outside, perhaps on their way to work or school, completely unaware. They might notice the sun feels unusually intense, more piercing than they remember. A mild warmth would quickly become a stinging, burning sensation. Sunburn would occur not in hours, but in mere minutes. The world's health systems would be overwhelmed within hours. Hospitals would be flooded with people suffering from severe burns and eye damage. This harsh new reality would force a complete transformation of our daily lives. Most activity would have to shift to the twilight hours of dawn and dusk or take place entirely at night. We would need to develop and wear full-body suits made of UV-reflective materials. New construction would likely be subterranean, with buildings designed to exist mostly underground, shielded by earth and concrete. The global economy, so dependent on agriculture, construction, and transportation that happens during the day, would grind to a halt. To survive, we would have to move all food production indoors. This would mean constructing colossal indoor vertical farms, sealed environments where light, water, and nutrients could be precisely controlled. The effects on plant life would be swift and brutal. The green landscapes of our planet would begin to bleach and burn. Within weeks, vast swathes of vegetation would die, turning the verdant continents into brown, desolate wastelands. The world would fall silent as the buzzing of insects and the calls of birds fade away. Faced with an unprecedented global catastrophe, humanity's response would be one of desperate, frantic innovation. The world's scientists and engineers would be mobilized in a singular effort to fix the sky. One possibility might be to deploy a fleet of high-altitude, solar-powered aircraft. These drones would carry equipment to produce ozone directly where it is needed, like mobile ozone factories, constantly patrolling the upper atmosphere to patch the hole. This terrifying thought experiment is not entirely fictional. In the 1970s and 80s, scientists discovered that certain man-made chemicals were damaging this vital shield. In 1987, nations from around the globe came together to sign the Montreal Protocol. Because of that agreement, the ozone layer is now slowly healing. The hole over Antarctica is gradually shrinking, and scientists expect the layer to recover to its former strength by the middle of this century. So the next time you step outside and feel the warmth of the sun on your face, take a moment. Look up at the vast blue sky. Remember the invisible shield that is there, high above you, silently performing its life-giving work. It is a gift of chemistry and physics, of planetary evolution over billions of years. It is the reason we are here, and the story of how we once damaged it and then worked together to save it should give us not fear, but hope. It is a lesson written in the sky itself, a reminder that the future of this world is, for better or for worse, in our hands.